Hello again. I want to talk with you about course planning for fall semester. My comments are going to be restricted to the Excel Compass courses. Your college advisor will work with you on everything else. We, the Excel Compass staff, will register you for your Excel Compass math, career planning, or STEM seminar, and a science if you choose one. You may ask yourself, what is different between the Excel Compass math courses and other math courses? As far as content, nothing is different. You will receive the exact same content as in any other math course. The difference comes in the best instructors and teaching assistants that we have handpicked for you, the success methods they use to teach the material, and the support we provide to you outside of the classroom environment. All of our math classes, college algebra through calculus 2, have a built-in recitation where you get one-on-one problem-solving time with your teaching assistant. The Compass STEM Explorations Career Planning course is specific to STEM. The other general career planning courses are not. Don't get me wrong, we cover all major exploration, but the emphasis is on the STEM programs. As for the Excel Compass science classes, these are general population classes where we have reserved a block of seats for Excel Compass students to take the class together. You will be part of a small cohort within the larger general class. The math and career courses are very specific sections for Excel Compass. So do not drop them because you cannot put yourself back into them. Other courses with the same name are for the general population and do not meet the requirements for our program. As mentioned, you must take an Excel Compass math course in fall and spring based on what your major requires. This is the sequence as shown. Placement at orientation is based on what we have in our hands the day of your orientation. This does not include AP scores, which will not post until July. I cannot predict the future. Math grades you have not sent to UCF, maybe from spring classes, or if you have not completed the full math placement test. You have time between now and your orientation to make sure all of your most current documents are submitted. If you have proof of credit in hand, email a screenshot to us. Remember, this may not be your final placement. It can change before fall if you have ACE or IB scores pending, receive AP scores, retake the math placement test, or participate in the math bootcamp. In any of these scenarios, when you get new information, email excel@ucf.edu a screenshot of your grade or score. Please make sure your name is showing on the transcript or score report so that we know it belongs to you. About a week before orientation, be on the lookout for an email from us that will tell you the math placement we have on file for you at that time. How it works. Depending on the orientation, we will register you on day 1 or 2 of that orientation. The courses will appear in your schedule before you get to registration. You will want to check your math registration as quickly as possible so that you can contact us if you need changes. Once in registration, do not remove the Excel Compass classes from your schedule without discussing it with your Excel Compass advisor first. There are many sections of other courses, and we can usually find a workaround for you. Math is important to you as a STEM major. Other things can be more flexible. If you have a conflict with another program, ROTC, band, honors, lead scholars, contact us first and we will help you get it fixed. A few common issues we face on math placement. 1, you must complete any remaining portions of the math placement test at least 3 business days before your orientation. This will ensure that these updated scores arrive at UCF in enough time to be considered for orientation. If you do take it within 72 hours, you will need to email your results to Excel so that we can use this information to adjust your math placement at orientation. In the larger Excel Compass presentation, I discussed the issues around AP scores. Things to remember. If you were dependent on a graphing calculator to do the math, you may not be able to trust your score results for placement. Students are not allowed to use calculators in any of the basic math courses at UCF. You may not have the strong foundation you need to be successful. We will not have your senior year AP scores until July. We cannot use those at orientation to determine your placement. When you receive the scores in July, email them to Excel and we can change your math placement. We recommend students with AB scores of 3 to 4 begin in Calculus 1. Scores of 5 are recommended to take Calculus 2 if you are comfortable with the knowledge you have in Calculus 1. Students with both AB and BC credit may choose to begin in Calculus 2, but you should discuss this with us. For summer, if you register for math in summer in order to take a higher level course in fall, you need to let us know immediately so we can change your fall registration. At orientation, register for the summer math course first, stop with registration, email excel@ucf.edu that you got into the class, and then proceed with your fall registration. We will get your fall math course changed for you ASAP. If you fail to do this, we may have to spend time rearranging your schedule after the fact. Excel students will be placed in STEM Seminar 1 and Compass students into STEM Explorations Career Planning in your first semester. If you decide somewhere along the way that you should be in the other program, for example, Excel student realizes they are undecided or a Compass student declares a STEM major, let us know and we will adjust these classes for you. You are not required to take a science course with us, but we would encourage you to do so. The benefits are that you don't have to find and register yourself for a course, and there will be other Excel Compass students in the class with whom you can partner to study. In fact, some of the labs will be all Excel Compass students. You can choose from biology, any of the introductory chemistry courses, and Physics 1 if you have already completed Calculus 1. When you complete the final module of the Excel Compass orientation, you will be provided with a link to request a science course. You will need to rank your choices in your order of preference. For example, if you choose chemistry, you will need to rank order the labs, 1 for first preference, 2 for second, and so on. If you don't rank your preferences and the one you chose is full, then we get to choose the class for you. We will only put you in one Excel Compass science course, so choose the one most relevant to your major. There is a table with suggestions in the web course that will show when we give you the link. Remember, once we place the Excel Compass courses on your schedule, do not remove them. Contact us and we can work with you to fix any problems. Lastly, a quick reminder that you should take 13 to 15 hours a term to stay on track in your major and progress in your academic status. Your college advisors will advise you on the other courses you need to round out your schedule. I hope that covers everything. If not and you still have questions, feel free to email us. Take care and we'll see you at orientation.